morning. So it's not even 6 o'clock yet. As you can tell, we literally just rolled out of bed and got here. But we are at the train station ready to leave Rome and head to Pisa. Our train leaves at 5:57 or 6:57, and like I said, it's like barely even 6. So we just got some breakfast. I had a Nutella like pastry thing, but I already ate it. That's some OJ. So last night, we stayed at a hospital the last 2 nights, and we didn't like realize you had to bring your own towel to shower, but we stunk and really needed to shower. So we used extra bed sheets to dry ourselves off with because we're inexperienced and don't know how hostels work, so that was fun. So we're gonna just chill until our train gets here, and then we're gonna off to Pisa. We're officially on the train and on our way to Pisa. Doesn't take, my lips are so chapped. Ew. I should probably do my makeup. I'll do it when it starts taking off. See you in 3 hours, Pisa. It's like a mile walk from the train station to Pisa, like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So we're like halfway there right now, but we stopped to get coffee and we're currently watching Shane's video, just kind of chilling. It's gonna be a super relaxing day. We are absolutely exhausted. I didn't even put on makeup because I was so tired on the train. I slept the whole way here. So yeah, just gonna chill, see some sightseeing, and then honestly, we're probably just gonna like, we're definitely gonna take a nap in the hostel. Yeah, we're crashing now.
Not even a nap, just like a slumber, like a deep coma slumber. Like I want to hibernate for just at least a little,
because we have a super long day tomorrow, and everyone even says like there's like 3 things to see in Pisa, so like today's like the perfect day just to kind of like chill and relax, because I still have 4 more days of traveling, so I'm okay with like just taking an easy day. If you watch literally any other of my travel vlogs, I mean like any other, you would know I try to be this type of tourist. But this is where it really counts, it really matters, and I'm really hoping that my practice leading up to this moment is going to pay off, because I'm terrible at it. So I'm hoping I can get a good picture out of this. Am I doing it right?
No.
Classic. See if I can do it like this. Oh yeah.
I want a high five. Do you want a high five? I don't know what you want.
Pure concentration. Am I doing it? I think my practice has paid off. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. You can't even see it. I love that. Alright, so our lunch just arrived. I got just regular cheese pizza. She got a salami pizza. And I am ready to dive in and devour this pizza because I am starving. Alright, so we had our lunch. I don't know what my hair is doing. But then we got gelato. Very good so far. We are going to head to the hostel and just have a very chill afternoon because my feet are literally blistering. So, bye Pisa. Nice seeing you. We can't even get into the hostel until 2 o'clock, and right now it's currently 1:25. So we found our train station that we have to be at tomorrow bright and early. And luckily, it is literally a 30-second walk, more like a 2-minute walk from our hostel. So we don't have to worry about transportation or anything. We know where we're going, which is a plus. So we're just chilling in front of this nice fountain right now for about 15 minutes until we check into our hostel, and then we're gonna take a nap because we're tired. And I have the biggest blister in the middle of my foot right now. Alright, so we took our nap. I feel honestly so much better. I'm still a little groggy though. It's almost 6 and we're about to go get some dinner. I think we're gonna walk back towards the Leaning Tower of Pisa because we saw some really good looking restaurants down there. So We're gonna try and do some more carb damage. Alright, so we are finally at dinner. I got some tortellini with like a cream sauce and ham. I really don't know what Brie got, but it looks good. Gnocchi. And then we're sitting fireside, living it up. I just got some water because I'm trying to stay hydrated because we have one more very long day tomorrow. We can do it. Clink. Very good. I could live in Italy just for the food and the sights too. Like, it's just amazing. I love it. Alright, so we're back in the hostel now. It is like maybe 9 o'clock. All there is really to see in Pisa is Leaning Tower of Pisa. That's really it. Anybody really tell you that? So we took it as a chance for a relaxing day because, like I said, our feet are literally blistering. So just a chill afternoon, and tomorrow we head to Venice. So that is it for today's vlog, and I will see you tomorrow.